Alright, gonna cook again. I wasn't gonna show making burgers, but somebody asked me to make mushroom burgers. So I got mushrooms, I got hamburger, so I'm gonna make mushroom burgers. And obviously with that, time lapse. Somebody also asked me why red potatoes. I think I like them better than the Idaho potatoes, personally. Sometimes one Idaho potato is not enough, but two are too much. So the smaller red ones, too, also help. But honestly, it's a taste thing. I like them better. All right, we're also, again, nearing the end, so I'm trying to use things up. I'm going to throw some peppers in. Okay. Garbage. Cajun seasoning because it was closer. I think this is a knockoff version of Creole seasoning. Olive oil. The foil pack is done. Voila. Okay, see? Alright, shrooms. That's a lot of shrooms. Some of them might need cut down. Some of them won't. And we're gonna saute those up. Olive oil. Garlic powder. And, because I got it, a little bit of real garlic. Okay, so it's just mushroom sauteing. Got to do it on low because I should have put the garlic in later as not to burn it. Turn it bitter. But I'll keep it low. Alright, it's hot, so you're going to hear the gentle hum of the air conditioner. That's a pound of hamburger, some sriracha, some steak seasoning. Nothing elaborate. Oh, one thing. I should have done this a long time ago. If you're using Ziplocs, fold the top of it back. That way when you add stuff in, you don't get everything all messed up. So, like if there's anything that's going to drip, if you fold that back, you're not going to have that problem. Now we're going to mix it. It needs more. I'm doing these fast because I'm hungry. Okay. Now, I'm going to get the air out. I'm going to try to do again what I've tried to do before. Flatten it out. Because I can never get these done very well. Alright, give me a minute. Skewer. I'm going to do thirds. Try to do 3 burgers. And into the stuffed press. See if we can do it. Try to make these not so mondo. Now I'm gonna put mushrooms. These are mushroom burgers. I have some cheese, so I'll put a little bit of cheese, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, one burger. You know what? I'm already frustrated. Alright. Toughest part, you're always moving stuff. Always moving stuff. Alright. Next burger. That one might stay together, we don't know. Third and final burger. Alright, as you can tell, I've made a mess. And this is a crowded campground, so I'm probably not going to film much outside. Maybe I'll take a couple pictures on it, but next thing we'll see is cooked burgers and see how they turn out. So yeah, it's kind of odd at a crowded campground to be filming cooking burgers, but these look pretty good, don't they? Threw a bunch of mushrooms on, and then I threw some cheese on there too. Alright, so there we go. Lots of mushrooms on top with some pepper jack cheese. Swiss would have been great, but I don't have any Swiss. Smiley face. See? And we got potatoes. Pretty good. Some of the mini peppers. I threw some of the mushrooms that I still had. Oh. That's really mushroomy. Really mushroomy. Great stuff. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day with a mushroom burger.